just 10 cents, but one that has been valued at nearly $87 million because of its extraordinary minting mistakes, rare errors, and mysterious mint mark anomalies. This little piece of metal, smaller than a bottle cap, has become a legend in the world of coin collecting, and its story is so unique that it continues to shock collectors, historians, and experts around the globe. Imagine holding a dime in your hand, something that feels so ordinary and simple, yet realizing that it could be worth more than a mansion, more than luxury cars, and more than entire collections combined. That's exactly the kind of jaw-dropping reality behind the 2010 D Liberty dime, a coin that has rewritten the boundaries of rarity, value, and numismatic mystery. Now, before we dive into what makes this dime so valuable, let's travel back to its origins. The year was 2010, a time when the U.S. Mint was at the height of its modern production capabilities, producing billions of coins every year with computerized precision. The dime, known officially as the Roosevelt dime, had been in production since 1946. Designed by John R. Sinek, it was meant to honor President Franklin D. Roosevelt, whose leadership during the Great Depression and World War II left an indelible mark on American history. The design of the dime had remained unchanged for decades. Roosevelt's left-facing portrait on the obverse, with the inscriptions Liberty, Indiana, God We Trust, and the year of issue, and on the reverse, a torch representing liberty, flanked by an olive branch for peace and an oak branch for strength. It was one of the most iconic and recognizable coins in circulation. By 2010, the Denver Mint was one of the main production sites for circulating dimes, identified by the D Mint mark. Most 2010 D dimes are perfectly ordinary, struck from copper nickel-clad planchets, weighing 2.27 grams, and with reeded edges. But somewhere in that massive production line, something went drastically, mysteriously wrong, resulting in one of the rarest, most valuable error coins ever discovered, the 2010 D Liberty dime that would later be valued at an unbelievable $87 million. At first glance, the coin looks like any other dime, but under closer inspection, a series of strange and nearly impossible features become clear. The first and most shocking of these is that the coin appears to have been struck on the wrong planchet, not the typical copper-nickel composite used since 1965, but on a blank meant for another denomination altogether.